Hello everyone. Today let us solve all the math questions from TET 2022 paper 1. Here in this paper math question starts from 91. So let us start with the 91 question now. The question is, when the measurements of two diagonals are given, then the quadrilateral that can be constructed is. The options are trapezium, rhombus, rectangle and parallelogram. As we know out of the properties of all quadrilaterals, as a rhombus and square are the only two quadrilaterals which have their diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. So, by constructing the diagonals like perpendicular bisectors, so let us draw first diagonal. For example, the diagonals are given 8 cm and 6 cm. Let us draw first diagonal and name them it as AC, and let us draw AC as 8 cm for example. And we will construct one more perpendicular bisector to this, which is 90 degrees and also bisects it equally into two equal parts. So this is our second diagonal which has drawn perpendicular to that. Now in this diagonal we have to cut, as it bisects equally, 3 cm up and 3 cm down. So from the middle point O, for example, let us cut 3 cm from up and 3 cm down. So, and name these 2 points as B and D. Now, if you join A to B and B to C and C to D and D to A, you will get a rhombus. Even square also we can construct with equal diagonals. So, the only rhombus is the quadrilateral in this given 4 options, which can be constructed through two diagonals given. Let us see the second question. The next question is, the adjacent angles of a parallelogram are x degrees and 2x plus 30 degrees. Then the greatest angle of the parallelogram is. Options are 70 degrees, 20 degrees, 50 degrees and 130 degrees. Now let us observe the properties of parallelogram which are related to adjacent angles. You know that in a parallelogram sum of adjacent angles is 180 degrees. So, or you can also call them as supplementary. So, let us take a parallelogram, a rough figure, and name it as ABCD, and let angle A is x degrees, angle B is 2x plus 30 degrees. Now you know that according to sum of adjacent angles is 180. So let us write x plus 2x plus 30 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Now x plus 2x gives you 3x. Plus 30 degrees gives 180 degrees. So 3x is equal to 180 minus 30, that is 150, and x is equal to 150 by 3, which is 50 degrees. So let us find all the remaining angles. So angle A you got as 50 degrees, and let us see angle B now. Angle B is given as 2x plus 30 degrees. So 2 into 50 multiply with the 2 into 50 plus 30 degrees gives you 100 plus 30, 130 degrees. So as opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram, angle A is same as angle C, so this is also 50 degrees, and angle B is same as angle D, so this is 130 degrees. So the greatest angle among all the 4 angles is highest 130. So your option is 4. Now let us see the question number 93. Choose a shape having unlimited number of lines of symmetry. Unlimited, the meaning of unlimited is infinite, numerous number of lines of symmetry. So for example, let us take rectangle. Rectangle will have only 2 lines of symmetry, one parallel to length and one parallel to breadth. Only 2 lines of symmetry for a rectangle. Whereas for a circle, you will have infinite number of lines of symmetry passing through center. You can draw any number of lines of symmetry passing through center. So, our answer is circle. So, let us check one square also. A square will have 4 lines of symmetry, one parallel to length, one parallel to breadth and passing through diagonal wise also. So, totally there are 4 lines of symmetry for a square. And for a isosceles triangle, there is only one line of symmetry which passes through equal sides, between equal sides, 2 equal sides, one line of symmetry passing through 2 equal sides, only one line of symmetry. So our answer is circle, which is having infinite number of lines of symmetry. Let us go to 94th question. The mean of 10 observations is 38. If one observation 56 is excluded, then the new mean is, the options are 36, 35, 38 and 37. Now let us see what is given. Mean of 10 observations is given. Let us write mean of 10 observations is equal to 38. What is the formula for mean? Arithmetic mean is given by sum of observations, sum of all observations by number of observations. So here in this case, sum of 10 observations by number of observations are 10. That answer is, mean is 38 given. So you can find now sum of 10 observations. So sum of 10 observations is equal to 38 multiplied by 10, which gives you 380. So this is the sum of 10 observations. Now you want to remove 56. 56 is excluded given in the question. So 380 minus 56. If 56 is excluded, the answer would be 324. Now this 324 is nothing but a sum of only 9 observations because one observation is removed. So now new mean is equal to 324 sum of 9 observations by total observations becomes now 9 because one is removed. So the answer is 324 by 9, which gives you 36. So 36 is the answer. So option 1 is the correct answer. Let us go to 95th question. Choose the incorrect statement. Median is affected by extreme values. There may be more than one mode for the given data. Mode is the most frequent observation of the given data, and median represents the middle value of the distribution arranged either in ascending order or descending order. So these are the 4 statements given. We need to find out the false statement. Coming to the first one, median is affected by extreme values. Yes, this is the false statement. This is our correct option. Median is not affected by any extreme values. Median is not influenced by any extreme values. If you change any numbers which are in the ends of the data, the median does not change. It depends only on the middle values. Middle values or middle value, either maybe 2 or 1 in the middle. It depends only those 2 values, but it does not influence by any extreme values. Actually, mean will depend upon the extreme values. Mean is influenced by the extreme values because it is considered, it includes all the data included in the series. So median does not affect by any extreme values. It depends only on the middle values. Let us see the second one. There may be more than one mode for the given data. Yes, there may be more, two modes or 3 modes or whatever, or sometimes there will be no mode at all. There will be, if 2 numbers are repeated same number of times, we call it as bimodal data. If 2 modes are there, 2 numbers repeats in the same number of times, we call it as bimodal data. If 3 numbers repeats the same number of times, we call it as trimodal data, which has 3 modes. And sometimes there will be no mode also, because if any number is not repeated, all numbers are repeated, same number of times are repeated only once, we can say that the particular data has no mode at all. And sometimes coming to median representing the middle value, mode is the most frequent observation in the given data. Yeah, mode is the most frequent observation. This is the definition for mode. Median represents the middle value. Yes, middle value, we call, after arranging ascending order or descending order, the middle value represents the median. So these are all true statements except the first one. So our answer is first one. Now let us see question number 96. The volume of a cuboid is 1296 meter cube. If its length is 24 meter and its breadth and height are in the ratio 3:2, then the breadth and height of the cuboid are in meters. You want the answer in meters. Now let us see what is the correct answer in this given options. What are given things? Volume is given. So let us write volume of a cuboid. Volume of cuboid is given 1296 meter cube, and also given length. Length of the cuboid is 24 meters, and he has given breadth and height ratio. Ratio of breadth to height is equal to 3:2. Now let us assume that breadth is equal to 3x and let us assume height as 2x. Now you know the formula for volume. Volume is equal to volume of cuboid formula L into B into H. So let us substitute the values. Volume is given 1296 and length is given 24 meters. Multiplied with breadth and height, we are assuming it as 3x multiplied by height 2x. Now the answer is 24 times 3 times 2 gives 144. X into x gives you x square. Now let us equal to 1296. Now x square is equal to, let us bring this 144 to the other side. So x square is equal to 1296 by 144. Do cancellation, both goes 9 times. So 9 is the x square. So x should be equal to square root of 9, which is equal to plus or minus 3. As the length cannot be, length or breadth whatever, cannot be in a negative. So you have to take only plus 3. So the x value is 3. So find out breadth and height now. Our question is to find breadth. Breadth is equal to 3x, that is 3 multiplied by 3, 9 meters, and height is equal to 2x, which is 2 times 3 gives you 6 meters. So the question is in asking breadth and height, not height and breadth. See the order of the question also. He is asking breadth and height. So first one should be breadth and second one should be height. So our option is 3, 9 and 6. Let us see the next question. The area of a circular path is 1570 centimeters square and the radius of outer circle is 30 centimeters. Then the width of the circular path is dash. So we need to find the width of the circular path. Pi value given 3.14 centimeters. So first let us draw the circle diagram for this question. There is a circular path, means there are two circles and the two radius. Let the small radius be small r and capital R is the radius of the outer circle. Now he has given area of this circular path. This area is given. So area between two circles, this area is given as 1570 centimeters square. So now let us write what is the formula for area of circular path. Area of circular path is given by formula pi into capital R square minus small r square. Actually it is the area between two circles. Outer circle is capital pi r square, inner circle area is small pi r square. So subtraction, the difference of those two areas is pi into r square minus r square. So which gives you the value of, so let us write pi into r square minus r square is given as 1570 in the question. So let us write r square minus r square is equal to, send pi to the other side, gives you 1570 by pi. Actually I substitute the value of pi as 3.14, which can be further written as 1570 by removing point from the denominator. We will get 314 by 100 actually. By 100 comes to the numerator. And do cancellation, 1s are and this is 5s are. So 5 into 100 gives you 500. So r square minus r square is 500. So r square, capital R value is given in the question, that capital R radius of the outer circle is 30 centimeters. So substituting this in here, r square minus r square. So write 30 square minus small r square is equal to 500. We are going to find small r. So send small r square to the other side and send 500 to this side. 30 square is 900 minus 500 comes to this side, minus 500 is equal to minus r square comes to this side plus r square. So the answer is 400 is small r square. Now we need to find small r. Small r is equal to square root of 400, which gives you plus or minus 20, but we need to take as it is distance between radius, it is always positive. So write 20 centimeters. So you have capital R given in the question 30 centimeters and small r is You got just now 20 centimeters. So he is asking you to find the width of the circle. Width of the path is nothing but outer radius minus inner radius. That is nothing but 30 centimeter minus 20 centimeter, which is 10 centimeter. So the answer is 10 centimeter. Option 4 is the correct answer. Now let us see question number 98. If length of one diagonal of a rhombus whose area is 25 centimeter square is 27 centimeter, then the length of the second diagonal is in centimeter. We need the answer in centimeters. Okay. What are given things? Length of one diagonal is given 27 centimeter and whose area is, so the area is 2025 centimeter square. So you know the formula for area of a rhombus. So what is the area of rhombus? Area of rhombus is equal to half into D1 into D2. So D1 represents diagonal 1, D2 represents diagonal 2. So diagonal 1 is given 27 centimeters. So write 27 here. D2 we don't know, so write D2 only. And the area of rhombus is given 2025. Now let us find D2 by sending all the terms to the other side. So write D2 here only and send this 27 and 2 to the left side. So 2025 into 2 comes up and 27 comes down. So by doing cancellation, you will get 27 ones are 27, 75s are. So 75 into 2. So D2 value is 150 centimeters. So the answer is fourth, option number 4. So 150 centimeters is the length of the second diagonal. Now let us see the question number 99. The base of an isosceles triangle is 12 centimeter and its perimeter is 32 centimeter. Then its area is in centimeter square. So okay, we need to find the area of isosceles triangle. So given base of the isosceles triangle and perimeter. So let us draw one isosceles triangle and observe that these two sides are equal, and base means the side which is opposite to the equal sides. This is 12 centimeters. And let these two other sides be x each, because as they are equal, let us think those both are equal to x. So now given perimeter, so perimeter of the right isosceles triangle is equal to 32 centimeters. So let us add up all the sides. X plus 12 centimeter gives you 32 centimeter. That means 2x plus 12 is equal to 32 centimeter, and 2x is equal to 32 minus 12, which is 20 centimeter, and x is equal to, x is 20, x is equal to 20 by 2, which is 10 centimeter. Now let us find the equal sides. Equal sides are both x each, so each side is 10 centimeters each. So now coming to the other side is 12 centimeter. Now you need to find the area of this triangle. So area of the triangle means we need to find height first. So let us draw one perpendicular from the opposite vertex to the base and let us denote it with the h. So first, if you find this h, then it will be easy to find the area of this triangle. So half into base into height, we can use the formula. So to find this height, first let us see this. For example, this is A, B and C, and this is D for example. So we need to find HAD. Okay. So according to Pythagoras theorem, ADC is a right angle triangle. So by Pythagoras property, you can also write it as h square plus, as this is total 12 centimeter, it divides equally into two parts perpendicular. So this is 6 centimeters. So h square plus 6 square is equal to x square. X is the hypotenuse here. So this is by Pythagoras property. So h square is plus 6 square is 36 is equal to x square. Sorry, x is 10 centimeters. We can write with the 10 square. So this is nothing but 100. Now h square is equal to 100 minus 36, which is 64. So h square is 64. H is equal to square root of 64, which is 8. Plus or minus 8, actually we have to take a positive value as it is height. So 8 centimeters is the height. Now we need to find the area of the triangle. Area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. So half is half base is 12, h is just now found 8. So just cancel out 6 or 6 8s are 48. So 48 centimeter square is the area of the triangle. So our option is 3. So this is your answer. Now let us see the question number 100. The heights of two vertical poles are 34 meters and 10 meters respectively. The distance between their feet is 32 meters. Then the distance between their tops is dash. We need to find the answer in meters. Okay, all are in meters only. So we'll get the answer also in meters. So let us think. I have drawn the picture already for you. So AB is the smaller pole and CD is the larger pole. So AB is of length 10 meters and larger pole is of 34 meters and the distance between their feet is 32 meters here. So now if you draw a perpendicular like this and a line parallel to BD, so these two both should be 32 meters each. Now as this is 10 meters AB, ED is also 10 meters. So ED is also 10 meters, total we know 34 meters. So 34 minus 10 gives you the remaining distance EC. So EC distance is 24 meters. Now if you observe, all are perpendiculars to the ground. So AEC is a right angle triangle. So AEC triangle is a right triangle. We can apply Pythagoras property to this. So AE square plus EC square is equal to AC square. So by applying Pythagoras property, you can find easily x square from this right triangle AEC. So by Pythagoras property, in triangle AEC, you have AE square is equal to, AE square plus EC square is equal to AC square. AC, let it be x. So we are going to find distance between their tops AC. AE square is 32 square plus EC square is 24 square, which is equal to x square. We are going to find x value. 32 square, 32 into 32 gives you 1024. 1024 plus 24 square is 576, which is equal to x square. Now if you add 1024 and 576, you will get 1600. 1600 is equal to x square. So which is x is equal to square root of 1600, that is 40. So plus or minus 40, actually we need to take only plus value. So 40 meters is the x value. So our answer, x is nothing but distance between the tops. So our answer is option 4. Thank you. Let us continue my remaining questions in the next video.